All right, well, I thought I was done today filming in Cimarron, and I'm not, because next door to the laundromat is this classic car museum. I've never seen this before. And we got a hold of the owner and got permission to film. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna look at all the cars. And look at this. Now I know they have a car show every year, every summer, and I assume this is related. Are you interested in being on camera and talk? Huh? No? Right, look at all these wonderful cars. So the first one is a 1956 Chevy Bel Air convertible. Then we have a 51 Ford Deluxe convertible. That kind of looks like the one from Biff and Back to the Future drove. Very similar. And then there's a 69 Chevy Camaro muscle car, and definitely my favorite muscle car is the 68 Chevy Camaro SS. That's the epitome of a muscle car. Then what do we have here? We have a 1952 Chevy Deluxe convertible with a almost life-size Barbie looking in the back there. A 1955 Chevrolet Camino pickup. Check that out. Beautiful. An Allstate scooter. And look at these toys up on the wall here. Check it out. It's pretty cool. A Cushman Eagle. There are two Cushman Eagles, the red one there and then the black one here. And of course, we have R2-D2 and toy trucks. Oh, look like classic Cokes and some one-armed bandits, scales, jute boxes. A lot of vintage stuff here. So how long has this been here? It wasn't here last year, was it?
It wasn't. It's been about a month. They opened it in May.
A month, okay. So I'm not too late to the show.
Yes, exactly.
Look at all this stuff. So he doesn't charge admission or no?
It's just his collection. They used to own the truck stop over there by Springer, and they sold it, and so he's put some of his collection in here.
Your voice will be on there, but I won't show you, okay? This is a Thunderbird, isn't it? Beautiful. Look at that color. Just gorgeous. Okay, guys, I know that was short and sweet, but if you're in Cimarron, definitely stop by here. What are the days and hours?
It's open every day from 11 to 6.
11 to 6 every day this summer. So come on by and check it out. So folks, you can't beat this little spot in Cimarron. Off in the distance there is the self-do car wash, the $2.84 a gallon gas, the Russell's Market, which I showed you in a prior video. Then you come around here and you have the famous Creamy Drive-In, which ice cream and amazing hamburgers. And then you have the laundry, which I just did my laundry in. And now the classic car museum. There's no admission, it's free, and there are classic cars in there, and it's a wonderful thing. And what a multi-stop. I love every one of these businesses. It's amazing. Well, I'm gonna head back to the truck and thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you on the next video. I know this one's short, but it's sweet, right? Take care.